Let me give you the third question. Now let us have the figure in view. I hope you can see this figure. This is question number 3. If the length of OD is equal to 8 units and the measure of COB is 120 degrees. Find the arc length BC. So they are asking us to get this length. Now let me draw this figure. Okay. Now OD is the radii. So that means OB, this distance is going to be 8 units because they have given this as 8 units. So naturally the radii is going to be the same all through the circle. So OB will also be equal to 8 units. Okay, fair enough. Now that means OC will also be 8 units. Now they have given COB is 120 degrees. So these are the data that we have. Now arc length is given by the formula L is equal to R times theta. If theta is given in radians, but they are not given in radian, theta is equal to 120 degrees. We will have to convert it to radian. This is the degree measure. So if you want to convert degree to radian, then what you have to do, you have to take L is equal to R times theta. You multiply theta with pi over 180. Now in questions like these, pi is actually featuring as a choice, so we don't have to do anything. But if pi does not feature as a choice, and if a constant or a numeric representation is given as a choice, then you will have to know the conversion factor for pi over 180, which is going to be 0.01745. I think it is 33. Okay, so use this conversion factor. So this is an additional note for you. Now since theta is 120 degrees and the value of R is 8 units, so therefore L is equal to 8 multiplied by 120 divided by 180 times pi. Now I can cancel these zeros out. Now 2 divides here 9 times, 2 divides here 4 times. So it's better you rewrite this as 4 times 12 over 9. 3 divides here 3 times, 3 divides here 4 times, and you have a pi there. So this is going to be 16 pi over 3. This is my solution, arc length, 16 pi over 3. Okay, so please go through this and we'll go to the next question.